Alright guys, what's crack? So, not working today, off as we have an appointment to go to, so I'm gonna go to that. But yeah, we bit of a story here on this auction. Obviously you've seen the title. So basically, sort of keeping an eye open. Obviously I'm at the new build here, and obviously we'll have a new build, so obviously we're thinking of things, getting materials and things for certain things, and just stumbled across some railings, getting a notification on the phone sometimes. I've seen these railings, sort of like gate railing things, and thought, sure, I've got them cheap enough, but then we missed out on the date, and I suppose it didn't hit its reserve, and then basically it came back up again, maybe a week or two later, and yes, we won it, so pretty happy enough to win it. And again, it all landed on pretty good timing really, as it's time to go to this appointment, but I had time to go and nip and get this, and then I can go and get chains and stuff once I offload this. I want to show you it, guys. I think it worked out about 130. I don't know if any of you guys are metal workers or know much about metalwork, but to me, it's a pretty good bargain. Again, have been keeping an eye open for auctions for like fencing, not so much timber fencing, but like metal fencing, as across the back there is a drain, and it does get very deep. So obviously when we move in here and we have children, we need to keep them safe, keep them away from that. So my idea is, along the front of it, I'm gonna dig it out and raise it up a wee bit, and build a bit of a sort of like a wee bit of a raised bed thing, but either on top of that or just behind it. I want to fence it off so that the kids, and even if there's other people here and kids, they can't get down to it. But this thing we've bought here, this is my idea of a gate. I'll show you the actual metalwork, and then I'll show you the area that I want, sort of a gate. Again, don't even know if this will work, but I just thought it's a bit of a worth a gamble. Not that I can afford to be wasting money or anything, but I thought if I don't buy it, I might kick myself later when I go to, make something for it, or ask somebody to make something for it, because the price will be much higher. And even if you do look sort of online for like second-hand stuff, there's stuff that to me is not as good as what this is, and it's quite a bit expensive, maybe over double, maybe nearly triple the price of this was. So yeah, I'm gonna whip it all out here, lay it down, show you, and then I'll give you a wee look at the area that I'm planning to have a gate and fenced off. Again, it's just rough plans, nothing set in stone as of yet. Obviously, I did have a hand to lift these in, but here's a wee look at them, guys. So there they are in all their glory, all stacked up, 3, and then post came with it too. Not sure what way, not 100% sure what way to hook it all up yet, but I can figure that out. Might even buy a welder and learn a wee bit of welding, who knows, doors trying to hit me. But yeah, I'm gonna get it all whipped out here now and lay it out so you can sort of see. But if you just look how thick that steel is, it's proper good steel, and it has all the attachments already welded on that I'm gonna need. My hay fever is killing me today. What do you think of this thing did come about 45 minutes away, but what do you think of my, just lent it in, used the weight of everything to hold it, clamped it. Had another clamp down here just to keep it all together so it didn't shake and start getting really awkward. Tell me you love that idea, guys, please. Them clamps have been so handy for even things that you would never think of. They've just came in handy. So that's the van empty again. Some more tools put back in for work, and all the railings out. Give us a wee quick look here, guys. That was not easy work. I'd say them railings are probably nearly heavier than me, if not are. But anyway, the smaller ones weren't too bad, but that big one, that was a different beast altogether. And there's this post as well. So that'll probably be, well, I have a bit of a plan, so my idea will be, that'll probably be the gate, and then them two will be leading. They'll actually be up facing this way, but what do you think, guys? Only bit of damage to see is there's a wee bit of bend there, some cement or something over here. So again, I don't know what they were for. They don't look like they've ever really been painted, so don't know why they were sold or anything. They don't look that old. Maybe that damage was always in it, and I don't know, who knows, or maybe it was just taking off a job and not needed again. But I just want to show you quickly my idea. So obviously there's water down here. Oh, if I don't fall, I get jagged on them. So this is where the water is, as you can see. So the idea is to fence it off. So hopefully the big one can come here, and the two smaller ones can fan out from it some way. And then the plan will be is to bank this up a wee bit and have some other kind of fencing and hedges going either side of the drain, just to keep kids safe, but also will look nice. And then the gate still gives us entry into the bit of land in here, so which it's mostly just bog, really, swampland, but it's still nice. It's still nice to be able to just have a wee walk around it, and things like that. Again, it's just, I think it's green belt, so you can never build on it or anything. I'm happy with that. But I think it'd be nice to have, you know, we've got this walkway here. This is basically what the ground of the house is. Probably talked about all this before. We still need to cement them holes in, because now and again the kids get their nearly trip over it. So I just want to fill them in. One time I have a spare bucket of mortar or something, I'll come out and fill that. But yeah, guys, was kind of excited to win that auction, get it picked up and get it here. I'm gonna just set it all on a pallet or something so it's easy picked up. It's roasting, hay fever's going ballistic. Actually doesn't seem too bad when I'm in here, but over there, so it must be grass pollen. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Sorry it wasn't plastering. I know a lot of you are subscribed to this channel specifically for plastering, and some obviously subscribe just because they enjoy just watching me and listening to me talk, which is, it's much appreciated, guys. All the support you guys have showed it's really appreciated at the highest level. You just can't really even imagine. And it's actually a nice view from the house from here too, just through the trees there. That's where I have the picture window looking this way. So yeah, just thought them railings will, to be honest, them railings would keep a bear out, never mind toddlers and kids. So thought it'd be an interesting wee share for you, as I thought it was a good bit of a buy. Again, no idea how I'm going to fit it, no idea that I need a bit more welding, no idea about hinges, about posts, like what kind of posts is that going to need in soft ground. It's going to be a challenge to get something really pretty here, but that makes sense as well. And again, they're that heavy, whatever post is going to carry that needs to be a significant post. I don't know, I haven't thought that far ahead, just thought I'll get them now if I have the chance. Well, we got the chance and we won it, so that's the main thing, guys. We'll have the material, now I just need the time, which is something that is getting beyond me, as the whole outside now needs plastered. Well, I've most of the tracking done, still the installation to go. Again, I'm going on, it's a different video. If you want to watch the same videos, guys, there's playlists on the channel for the new build. But right now, I'm going to just get these stacked on that pallet or something, so they're easy again, lifted, and nobody drives in and drives over the top of them and absolutely destroys them and their vehicle. But